Okay, CruiseByMandy. It's a little after 9:30. They have given us the politically correct "get your booty off the ship" message. So we are, I guess we're obeying. We are now headed to go. I will be shutting down when we get to the parts that we can't. But this was a different disembarkation for me, and it was good to try. I am normally the first one off the ship, beating the door down, trying to make a standby flight. This time, we're taking our time and disembarking kind of on our own. Have a good one. Met other divers. Okay, so this is the same way you embark this ship. You probably saw my picture. I don't know if I posted or not. But this is down on deck 5 outside. You always have the emergency exits, the lifeboats. I know a lot of people ask me, my kid can sleep on the floor. Can we not just put another kid in the room? No, it's kind of the whole U.S. Coast Guard safety, lifeboat, Titanic, blah, 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 capacity issues. So, second line. Uh-oh. Okay, so this is the very last time that you use your ship card. Have it out and ready. And I'll take mine. Have a barcode. Yes, sir. Thank you. Scan my barcode one last time. And of course, I'll have this off before we go into security, customs. I'm doing a mobile passport this time. I do have global entry, but at some ports, mobile passport that is free works better and quicker than global entry, believe it or not. Global entry is phenomenal for flying, and I'll be using that in early November when I'm headed back from Europe. If you do need wheelchair assistance is available to get you into the terminal. It is something you want to pre-request. Pretty much all the gangways are like this. They are sloped surfaces. Ship operations. I know there's probably a travel agent group ready to do a ship inspection because those usually come on after 9:30. And next group will be boarding sometime between 11 and 12. So you're just zigzag. So as a first-time cruiser tidbit for disembarking, you can pull your own luggage off if you're physically able. You can check it the night before and have it waiting down here in a certain area. This is my luggage, my CPAP machine, and my carry-on size suitcase. And I have a backpack on my back that's small, which fit under the seat in front of me because it has my pillow in it. Another zigzag. Oh my goodness, how many zigzags do we have? You can see provisioning being ready to be loaded down below. It's really cool seeing the ship operations. I don't see how they can flip a ship and have enough food and beverages for 6,000 plus people. Can't seem to pass anybody in front of us, even though we're walking fast. Yeah. Okay, I get to the point where I need to shut off the video because video will not be allowed up here. So I see that sign. There's the terminal. And I'll turn it off.